Hey guys, what's up? It's your favorite YouTuber, probably soon to be continued. This is my first video. We're at an AZ Track Stars meet. I'm a photographer. Yeah, this is my first time vlogging, so I don't know what's up. But yeah, we're gonna go look at some cars right now. That's the end of the vlog, guys. That was my mom right there. Oh, Mustang. Y'all saw that. That concludes the vlog. It's a short one this time. But anyways, peace.